In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and assign tasks in Monday.com. We'll start by opening your trial management board inside Monday.com. Think of a board as a central table where all your work lives. It's organized into groups and columns so you can see who's doing what, when it's due, and how things are progressing. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one so you're viewing the correct board. Once the board loads, take a second to scan the columns so you know where the task name, due date, status, and any other key details will go. Next, create a new task. Look for the New Task button, usually at the top or bottom of a group. Click it, then give your task a clear, action-oriented name. Be specific so anyone viewing the board understands exactly what needs to be done. Short names work best, but include enough context to avoid confusion later. If you're creating several related tasks, keep a consistent naming pattern so they're easy to scan and search. Now edit the task to add the details that make it actionable. Open the item and set a due date that reflects a realistic timeline. Pick a status that matches your workflow, like to do, working on it, or done. If your board includes a people or assignee column, this is where you assign the task to the right teammate. Assigning an owner ensures notifications go to the right person and makes accountability clear. You can also add notes in the updates section, attach relevant files, and tag teammates for visibility. As you refine these fields, Monday.com can power automations and reminders, so accurate details help the whole system work better. When the work is finished, mark it complete. The simplest way is to drag the task to the complete option or change its status to done, depending on how your board is set up. This instantly communicates progress to your team, rolls the task out of active views, and keeps reporting accurate. If you need to reopen it later, just switch the status back. There's no need to delete the task. To make your board even more useful, consider enhancing it with widgets and additional columns. Widgets like calendars, workload, or progress visuals can summarize what's happening at a glance, while columns such as priority, tags, or time tracking add helpful context without clutter. Keep your setup consistent across groups so everyone understands how to read and use the board. That's it. Open your board, add a clear task, set the due date and status, assign it if your board supports it, and mark it complete when you're done. Follow these steps and your team's work will stay organized, transparent, and on track.